Yo, what's up, Nimbus? What's up, Prasad? What's going on, boys? So please, you single? No, I'm not single up. I'm in a relationship. I think you mean signal? You mean signal, Rabbi? Because I'm definitely not single. And I'm definitely not into men. I was actually going to take buyers today, but this candle, this 15-minute, the literally the second it opened, it drove up like 20 pips, so I wasn't able to get an entry. Like if we look at the 1 minute, we can see literally this first 1 minute candle when the market opened drove up 24 pips. So missed the entry. So now it is what it is. It is what it is. How's everyone doing today? How is everybody doing today? Doing well? That's what I like to hear, man. Positivity. Day was good today. That's good, Javier. That's good, man. I like to hear it. Everyone's having a good day. How are you? I'm good as well. It's moving from winter into summer slowly here in Melbourne. So as you can see, we're getting some hot days now. So, you know, we got 27 day coming up here, 23, 23, 25. It's pretty decent. So, yeah, man, you know, starting to get out in the sun, start going to the beach again. I don't have a course, no, Travis. I don't. I did for a little minute there, but then I thought to myself, do I just want to be another trader with a course who's trying to like? I don't want to do that. I just want to be me, trade, make money from trading. I offer a VIP group for $25 a month, a very small price where I post my trades and certain strategy videos. But that's it. I don't want to sell courses. Maybe in the future, who knows? But right now, I'm good. You trade with own capital or funded cap? My own capital. I have never done a funded account since I started trading. Never. I was telling people in the last stream I was about to do a funded account. I was about to buy a My Forex Funds one for the YouTube channel so I could make some good content and I could show you guys me passing a funded account. But then that happened with My Forex Fund, with their company. It's going down and they're being investigated and blah, blah, blah. So now I'm just like, you know what, forget it. I'm staying away from funded accounts. How can you learn from me? That's a good question. You can watch the live streams. You could, I don't know, join the VIP group. When I have trades, I'll break them down. I'll show why I'm taking them. Other than that, oh yeah, I don't really do a course. I'm not really into teaching at the moment. I like just trading myself. And if people want to follow my journey, you can. If you want to join the VIP group and follow my trades, you can. But other than that, I'm not really doing a course or anything like that. I've decided not to. Yogesh. I'm saying I'm Yogesh. I don't know how to say that, but when if there's a signal, if there's a setup, I'll send it. But there hasn't. This week has been very slow. This week has been very slow, very choppy. As you can see, this has been this week, right? This right here has been this week. What do you see here? You see no direction. You just see consolidation, sideways, right? Sideways movement. There's been nothing this week, nothing good. Only sideways movement, right? Previous week, we had nice uptrend, we had nice downtrend, right? Here, previous week before that, we had a nice uptrend where we took advantage. This week, this has been the market this week, right? Sideways. There's been no direction. We had a nice move here yesterday. So we had a nice move down here yesterday. So we'll see if this trend is going to start to continue bearish. But so far, price has flipped back bullish and it's moving back to the upside. So there's no trend in the market. This week is consolidated. It's going sideways. There's no direction, no trend. Therefore, there has been no trades. You have the group set up already. The VIP group is set up already. If you click down in the description, then you'll find it. I only set it up this week, so there's not much in there at the moment, but I'm going to be uploading a video in the VIP group today or tomorrow. And that's going to be a video on how I trade GJ, my strategy in a nutshell. And it's going to help you understand how I trade. And that's going to be uploaded to the VIP, of course. Where are you from, Travis? I've not seen your name in the stream before. Have you just found the channel, or you've been following a while? Where did you find me, on Instagram, YouTube? I'm always interested to know these things, where people find me. I'm guessing you joined this YouTube through the Telegram, and you joined Telegram through Instagram, right? Morning, Omar. What's happening, big guy? I've found you from Instagram to Telegram and then YouTube, following you since months, I think so. Prasad, so you was you in the free Telegram when I was sending out the trades last week? All good. That's good. Another person who's feeling good today. That's what we like to see. Oh yeah, that's good. So you understand how like I trade and what the kind of setups are like. What's my view on GJ today? So movies. I was about to take buys. I was looking at buys above this level, but then this new 1 hour candle opened here, and price in the first 1 minute. If we look at the minute chart, we can see this first candle in the first minute, like the second it opened, it drove up like 25 pips. So I didn't get an entry because yeah, it moved too quick. So I was looking for buys, but yeah, we'll see what happens now. Missed the entry. Like I said, price pushed up 20 pips, 25 pips, literally the second the new candle opened. So there's nothing I can do about that. Yeah. Yeah, I was literally just I was about to post the buys in the Telegram, but then price opened up, and within literally the first 10 seconds, it drove like 25 pips. So you know, there's nothing I can do about that. Bum bum bum. So now we'll just see what happens, I suppose. Gold as well. I believe gold is going to continue bullish here. So I think, you could be looking above this level somewhere. You could be looking at buys here. Stops though, I suppose you can put them below this level somewhere. and I'll be looking, I don't know, something like this, a 1 to 1.8 up here into this like previous level of structure. I think that would be the plan goal, but let's wait and see. Yeah, for sure, movies, for sure. For sure. For sure, dude. What a day. What a day. What a day. What a day. What a day in Australia. Australia, mate. Anybody else here from Australia? Where you guys from? Let me know where you guys are from. Australia, mate. Australia, mate. Australia. I'm from Malaysia, so I'm probably an hour or two behind you. Oh, okay. Malaysia. India, USA, Javier. Castellanos. Castellanos. USA, India, Malaysia. Have you closed your swing trades? No, I haven't closed them yet. For added security, we've sent a transaction. Oh, how do I? Swing trades. Oh, that's what we could do. We could look at some swings. Why is it not loading? Nigeria. We got Nigeria in the house. Nige. There's some potential opportunities here on a couple pairs swing wise. Like right now. Something like that. It's kind of news we got here tonight on Euro USD, Michigan sentiment. I'm actually going to send this out to the VIP group right now. One hour candle on GJ's bearish. Oh, you're from Egypt, Omar. Nice. What will be your criteria to put stop loss? Like stop loss should be the number of pips. I just put it a decent amount below this level. Yeah, I just put it a decent amount below this level. Or something else you can do is you can go here and you can do average true range, right? You can get this baby up. And you can use this as a guide for your stop loss. And what I'm seeing right now, let me just get rid of this. This is a really good guide for your stop loss. So what I can see now is, you see how top left over here? Oh no, you can't see that. Let me get rid of my camera. Let me put it below. So you see down here, when I'm hovering over these candles, it's changing. The numbers are changing. So currently when I hover over the previous 4 hour, it says 276. So that would mean 30 pips. So a good guide could be to put your stops at 30 pips, or you could put it 30 pips below the lowest low. So you could do this, which is 22 pips. So basically we could just do 50 pips, right? 50 pips. And then we could just do a 1 to 1.5 for 75 pips right there, right? So that there would be is the Euro USD entry. Same here for Euro CHF. I'm going to take a long here. Stops. So that'll be 20 pips. So we can put it 20 pips. 24 pips. Just going to go 20 pips will be 30 pips. I'm going to go with a 30 pip stop. And we're going to aim for a 1 to 1.5 again here on Euro CHF as well. Fuck, someone just rang the doorbell. Who the hell is ringing the doorbell? All right, so Euro CHF, we got longs from here. Let's have a look. Looking for longs here on USD CAD, but no entries yet. Looking for sells from here, potentially on AUD USD. Jehovah's Witnesses. Yeah. Come to confess my sins, man. Like, leave me alone. Look at this consolidation. I'm gonna put a little thing here, just in case it does dip down into this zone. We can potentially look for buys. Potential retest here of this level. Yeah, we're gonna wait and see what happens here. We're gonna wait and see what happens at this zone. So I'm just gonna put a alert here on gbpjpy. Looking for a retest of this level on AUDCHF to go long. Looking for a retest of this level to go short on GN. What's this? NZD CAD. Yeah, this is the NZD CAD trade that I'm in, that I posted in. I also posted in the free Telegram. Don't like that color anymore. That purple color. I'm preferring this gray color. So that came close to hitting stops. What was that? 20. Low 20. So yeah, about 4. Yeah, it was about 40-45 pip stops. Going for a 1 to 1.5. Right there. Where was we? GN retest. NZDCHF retest. Retest on GBP CAD of this level to go short. Beautiful. AUD, NZD, potential sales from here, maybe? Or do we go with a more recent level of resistance that has now been broken and is acting as support? What do we do here, guys? What do we do? Let me know in the chat. Do we take buys once price retests here, or do we look to take sells from this resistance here? What do you reckon? What do you guys think? Buys, because we've had a strong resistance being broken and potentially retested to continue bullish? Or do we look overall at these levels and do we short from this level? What do you think? Both? Short from here down into here. And wait for price to touch the top and then short from there down into there, get a quick 40 or so pips and then go long. Ascending triangle. Are you talking about like this? And then there's the resistance. Wait and see how it reacted to the upper zone. Yeah, good. That's a good response. Kind of wait for breakout perhaps. Yeah. Yeah, I suppose if price does break and retest this zone and goes long, then we can just look for a retest of this zone to go long, right? What I like to just pay attention to the most recent price action, right? So the most recent, we've got a resistance. We look for a break, retest to go long. And we just forget about this zone over here, maybe. That's one to keep an eye on. I'm going to change that to blue and I'm going to move it up into blue. CAD CHF. looking for a retest of this zone. Morning Afiz, what's going on? Looking for a retest of this zone on oil. Looking for a retest of this zone on GU, or potentially this zone further up. How are you, Afiz? What's going on, man? What is going on? Looking for a retest of this zone to go short, potentially. So far, anyway. We got a nice support forming here on Euro JPY, so we could either look to buy or we wait for a break and a retest down below this level. What do you guys think? Buy from here or wait for a break? The market structure is a little bit weird as well. There's not actually, there's like, we got highs, lows, and then price failed to break that. And then we had highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then we came up and broke structure again. But now we don't have structure that hasn't broke this structure yet. So really, market structure really is bullish at the moment. So what we could do is potentially wait for a break at this level. And then we could look to go long potentially. Or we just wait for just a clean break of this support and a retest to go short. Nice, waiting for a retest of this level to go short. Or we could potentially buy from here. Potentially look for buys from in there, right? I'm good at fees, man. I'm good. Thank you. I'm good, brother. This is interesting, isn't it? It's a massive zone. I hate zones like this that like are really big, but price is trending down. We've got a key support. These are swing trades, bro. This is just the swing trading section. GJ, there's nothing going on with GJ today at the moment. Wait for a break and move down. Yeah. Well, you can see price is trending down, like structure is trending down. So we'll just wait for a break of this potentially, or we wait for a dip in and we look for buys. Not much happening on UJ at the moment. We got this kind of resistance here. Might take your first swing trade. Well, we've already entered Euro USD and Euro CHF. We're already in that trade. But I've sent out entries for these today. So we'll see how they go. Not much really happening on this until we get a potential break and retest up. That was a nice little break and retest there, but wait for a retest of this level, I suppose, but it's quite far away at the moment. We got a nice level up here. We can wait for a retest. Or again, there's this. Right, that it could break and retest to go long, potentially up into this level. Am I dreaming? No trade today on GJFEs. I was about to take buys here with this move up, but this whole move happened within like 10 seconds as soon as the new candle opened, so I didn't get a chance to take it. It happened too quick. Yeah, they're swing trades anyway. Hussein, they're swing trades anyway, so they're still sitting around break even pretty much. Nothing happening here with New Zealand JPY. It's horrible price action here. Horrible, horrible. Same here on Euro GBP. Not really much we can do. Am I dreaming? Bit of a resistance there. I don't really like it though. It's do something like that maybe. Support. We've got a couple of touches of this level down here, so this is kind of valid right now. But that's about it. But I should we enter buy on EU and US? It's up to you, man. I'll give the analysis. I'll give the analysis, the levels. I've given the entry, the stop loss, take profit. It's completely up to you what you want to do. If you want to enter and follow it, go ahead. If you don't, then don't. Completely up to you, bruh. Gold? Yeah, so I was saying about gold earlier that I can see gold continuing bullish potentially above this level at some point, and you could target 60 pips, 65 pips up at this level. But we'll see what happens here. We broke above this resistance level. It's like key resistance level right here, kind of breaking above it. So we'll see if it can sustain above. If it can stay above this level, we get like a deeper retest down into here maybe. We'll see where it bounces, but at the moment, nothing really is going on. But yeah, it's stepping up to the upside. We can see bullish market structure. We've broken out of a key resistance. And it's currently testing, right? So if we stay above here, then there's a probability that we're going to continue bullish above this level. So we just got to wait and see. That's all right. If red candle closes below, we can take a sell for 28 pips in GJ. Interesting, man. $25-minute time frame. I don't trade the 25-minute time frame, man. I'm on the 15, the 1 hour, 4 hour daily, weekly, monthly. But let me know how it goes, man. Let me know how your trade goes, Swami. Swami. But I can't give on. I was on the punching bag today, doing a few, little jabs and punches, man. And I hit it, boom, hit it with my right hand. And I thought I broke my wrist or something, man. As I hit it, like my wrist kind of like went like that. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's always a chance that price can come down and touch into liquidity here. This is where all the liquidity is on GJ today. If it wants to break below and retest, continue bearish, or if it wants to come down and touch in here and drive bullish. We can see yesterday, this was yesterday's liquidity pool. We can see we broke below, retested once, retested twice, and then after we retested the second time, look at all the volume that came in. Price just dropped. Boom, boom. Same thing here on Wednesday. Kind of broke below it, came for a retest, eventually worked its way above, tapped down with a big rejection, grabbed all the liquidity, and then drove all the way bullish. Again, same here on Tuesday. Broke below, broke back above, retested, a couple wicks into grabbing the liquidity, and then continued bullish, driving upwards. So the liquidity is here on GJ today. If we do grab some, then you can expect some move, but I'm not sure what's happening with this wick. Krishna, what's up? How are you, man? Am I dreaming? My bones are strong, bro. It's just when I hit it, I wasn't flexing enough. You know, like I kind of hit it a bit soft, and on a, like it's the way that I punched it. It was on a weird angle, so when I hit it, like I kind of brushed it like that, and then like bent it because I didn't hit it like straight on. I hit it like that, so it kind of just bent my wrist. But how about the fib retracement video? How about what about I just show you now? Yeah. How about let me just show a fees quickly the fib retracement strategy on gold. All right. So you guys can all join in as well. So basically, what you need is to come over here and grab the multi-time period charts indicator, right? If you just go into indicators and fees listen up, you'll also be able to come back to this video because it'll be on my YouTube channel and you can watch it again. So you just want to type in multi-time and okay, multi. So type in multi and then under technicals right here, you'll see multi-time period charts, all right? And then what you want to do is turn off auto time frame. So turn it off. Choose 1 day, right? And then just choose whatever colors you want. But for me, gray is bearish, blue is bullish, all right? Then what you want to do is get your fib, right? And it's going to be these levels right here. So copy these levels. 0.618, 0.786, and then you want 0.236 minus 0.236 and minus 0.328 as well as 0.886. All right, and then choose whatever colors you want, but you can copy this if you want. When there is liquidation at the top, so there is possibly to the downside. I might see some level taking, then I can join the move to the downside. Yeah, I think you're talking about like sell side liquidity and all that kind of stuff, right? Isn't that SMC as well, or whatever it's called? SMC smart. I don't fucking know, but I think that's what you're talking about. But I can't give sell side liquidity. All right, so those are the levels. All right, fib levels. So then what you want to do, now we have our candles, right? Right here, bearish, bullish. What's up, man? What's up, little lit fury? What's up, summit? Good wishes, thank you very much. And what you want to do is, so if we have a bearish daily candle, right? What we want to do is draw the fib from the daily high down to the daily low, right? Down to the daily low. So that's what we want to do right there, boom. And then what you want to wait for it to do is come up into these levels, show rejection, and then you want to sell. But we don't get nothing that day, no worries. We move on to the next day, right? So this is also a bearish candle. So we draw it from the high down to the low. And now we can see price has come into our entry zone. And what you want to do then is get this indicator right here, engulfing candles detector. So you go engulfing, right? And you'll see right here, engulfing candles detector by Dave ATT. All right, so you want to put that on, and that's gonna show you the engulfing candles, right? It's easy to see engulfing candles, but this is just gonna take away the guesswork for you. So here we can see we have an engulfing candle, right? It lights up red, and then bullish engulfing lights up blue or green, whatever that is. Then what you want to do is get Bollinger Bands indicator, right? And you want to put that on, get rid of the middle one, and then you just want to leave it as it is. So now we have a bearish previous daily candle. We have the fib drawn from the high to the low. We have price the next day coming into this level where we want to see price come into for sales, right? We have an engulfing candle, and then we have price outside of the Bollinger Bands, all right? So you can see these candles are all outside of the Bollinger Bands. Then we get an engulfing. We can take, I'm sorry if you can hear that background noise. Let me just close the window. Next door neighbor is this is the 15-minute time frame. But yes, I can do that. No worries, brother. No worries, brother. Where shall I put it? I'll put it down here. All right. So now we have, let me just turn this off so it's not confusing. So we have previous daily bearish candle. We have price into the fib retracement level where we want to look for entries. We have an engulfing candle. We have price outside of the Bollinger Bands. Now we can enter once we get that engulfing candle, and you want to put your stops, potentially you want to put them above here, right? So above this level, or what you can also do is, what's this one? We can get rid of that one. What you can do is go to average true range, right? So average true range indicator, what I showed you before. Turn off this, we don't need that. Set it to 1 hour. And then once you hover over these candles, you'll see it comes up 2698. So that's basically 27 pips. So we'll round that up to 30 pips and we'll have a 30 pip stop loss, right? 30 pip stop loss. And then now what you want to do is target the take profit levels, right? Which are in green, which are the minus 0.236 and the minus 0.382. And then you go down to that level. Right, boom. That is a 1 to 2.6, almost a 1 to 3. Or if you target the bottom level, you can go for a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Right, so you get a beautiful entry. Price drops straight to your take profit. Right, so we have our entry level, take profit level, and we've had the confluences of a previous bearish daily candle, Fibonacci retracement zone, engulfing candle, price outside the Bollinger Bands. We're using the ATR indicator to set our stop loss. And then we're just targeting these Fibonacci take profit levels down here. And we get a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Shibara. And we can do more if you want. Am I dreaming? So here, I wouldn't take this entry because this would be 2:30 a.m. in the morning for me. So I would not be awake for this. Tommy, wasn't you just saying styles? Or are you talking about gold? You're talking about gold, yeah? Also, this wouldn't be an entry because price is not outside the Bollinger Bands. So there's no entry right there now. So that would not be an entry, right? So we could just delete that one because price doesn't go outside of the Bollinger Bands. So that's one of our things not met. So now we can go to this one, right? So what do we have? We have a daily bullish candle. So we draw our Fibonacci from the low to the high of that daily. And now on the next day, we're waiting for price to come down into our entry zones, right? Which is really from here to here, right? And then we have our take profit zone up here, which I'll mark as just, I don't know, gray like that. So we can delete that. Price comes down into our entry zone. Is price outside of the Bollinger Bands? Yes, you can see price is touching outside of the Bollinger Bands. We have an engulfing candle, as you can see, this green highlighted candle. We do our entry. We check our ATR. You can see bottom left down here. Oh, my face is in the way now. So I've moved it to the top left so you can see up here the red thing. So it says 2583. So that's basically 26 pips. So we'll round that up to 30 pips again. So 30 pip stop. And then we are targeting our take profit level up here, which is a 1 to 4 or a 1 to 4.5, right? So basically a 1 to 4 risk reward ratio there. I am trading GJ's Summit, but there's no entries yet. There's no setup yet. You can see this is very messy at the moment. This whole week, if I zoom out here on GJ, this whole week has been messy, right? Here is Monday right here. So from here to here, this week has just been sideways, right? No direction. It's just consolidating, going sideways, no trend, no direction, no market structure. So setups have been hard to come by this week. But yeah, that would be another gold trade. The reason I chose this one is I can tell that none of these meet the Fibonacci, right? Because if I draw the fib from, if I draw the fib from this low to this high, obviously the next day price right here doesn't come down into this area. So I can just tell that it doesn't retrace as much. But again, another beautiful trade, a 1 to 1.4, a 1 to 4 risk reward ratio, 120 pips. And then over here we had a 1 to 3 risk reward. So yeah, that is the Fibonacci strategy on gold that Afiz has been asking me for. Is it Afiz? Yeah. Again, one last example. We have a bullish daily candle right here. So we're looking for buys this next day. Price comes down into our entry zone. Right, here's our take profit zone up here. Price touches this zone. It's outside of the Bollinger Bands. It has a bullish engulfing candle, as you can see from the highlighted green candle. Our stop loss would be 40 pips. Like that. So 40 pips. And then you will target this zone up here for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. It's not hard on live markets at all, Swami, because we're taking previous daily. It's what do you want to say about it? It's not hard on live charts. It's very easy on live charts because all you're doing is going off the previous daily candle, right? So for example, here we have this daily candle. Let me just go replay, right? So right now we have a daily candle, right? This daily candle has closed. So we know that this daily candle right here is bearish, right? As we can see, this is one day. So this is a whole daily candle. All we do is draw the fib from the high to the low. We mark out our entry right here. So we're waiting for price to come in here. And then we mark out our take profit, right? Then all we wait for price to do is just come into this level. Let me turn this off. All we wait for price to do is to come into this level, boom, and we wait for a engulfing candle and price to be outside of the Bollinger Bands, which is right here. Engulfing candle closes, price outside of the Bollinger Bands. We enter right there. We go to the ATR at the top left. We can see that it says 254, so I'm just going to round that up to 30 pips. right? But we set our take profit down here at the take profit level from the fib. We enter and we just let it go, right? It's not hard at all. It's very mechanical. You hardly have to do any thinking whatsoever. And there we go. And this isn't my strategy anyway. I don't use this strategy to trade gold, but it's one that I've found. It's one that I like, but I don't necessarily use this to trade gold. But Afiz asked me about a fib retracement strategy, and I showed him this. But it's not. It's easy to do on live markets because everything is mechanical, right? You have a daily candle that's closed, so you know for a fact that you have a previous daily candle that's closed, and you have a high and you have a low, and you draw your fib from that high to that low. Then all you're waiting for is an engulfing candle, as well as price being outside of the Bollinger Bands, and then you enter the market. That's it. If you have an engulfing candle but price isn't outside of the Bollinger Bands, you don't enter. If price is outside of the Bollinger Bands but there's no engulfing candle, you don't enter. So you have to have all of these 5 things in order to enter the market. It's very easy to do in live market conditions. Exactly. You just got to wait for it to meet everything. Yeah. But anyway, I don't really trade Fibonacci's, so but if I was to trade Fibonacci, then that is a strategy that I would trade potentially. We got 3 swing trades in a little bit of profit at the moment. Euro USD, Euro CHF, and NZD CAD. A little bit of profit. Little bit of profit. A little bit, my bro. Man, I hate zones like this. But yeah, GJ is playing games. How's your guys' trading week been this week? No, if he's bullish or bearish, but you have to wait for the daily candle to close. And then you draw it from there, yeah. Bullish or bearish, bro, doesn't matter. I did do an example of a bullish one as well. You should have seen that. But I can't give up my dreaming. Technically, I met my weekly target on Wednesday, but I am being very tempted by UJ Short. Yeah, send us some analysis, bro. If you're in the Discord. And my neighbor's mowing his lawns, man. It's so loud. Can you guys hear that? Am I dreaming? Oh, that's fair enough. I mean, that's still, it is what it is. Everyone's different. Just because you don't draw lines and boxes on a chart doesn't mean you can't trade. Interesting. Bollinger Bands. BB. BB. Bollinger Bands. All I hear all day is this fucking guy next door shouting at his dog. People like that shouldn't have pets, man. Oi, oi, oi. I didn't do on Insta. Trader bad. Can you enter and buy what on GJ? You can do whatever you want, brother. You can do whatever you wanna do. we go. There goes gold. There goes gold. What's my favorite food? Probably a nice juicy steak, eye fillet steak, or Indian food. Yeah, exactly, Gaffar. That's why I'm not entering. I want to see like more clearer structure. Because what happened is price actually broke structure to the downside here. So we created structure, bullish structure, highs and lows, and then price broke structure, but then broke structure back to the upside. So there's not really, we've also got this big move down. So I was looking for short-term buys. It didn't enter because this move happened too quick. But yeah, now I'm just watching. We'll wait for some direction, momentum, market structure, more confluence. But I mean, gold looks good. I literally gave these buys on gold earlier in the stream. I don't trade gold, but I literally said something like this would be your entry, like 40 pip stop maybe, and then you would target like these levels up here. You could have done something like that potentially, but yeah, you had to be here, man. I gave that entry at the start of the stream. To believe in a miracle. What's your favorite food, Nimbus? What's your favorite food? To believe in a miracle. Yo, guys, thank you for the likes, man. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. McDonald's. I mean, I like hash browns and the fries from McDonald's, but everything else I'm not really a fan. To believe in a miracle. Man, we're almost at 500 subscribers, man. I know that's not a lot, but bro, it's took so long to get there. You deserve every sub. YouTube is hard, man. YouTube is such a grind. You have to be so consistent with YouTube. And it's hard to be consistent. Like, for example, this week, for me, literally nothing has happened in the charts on GJ, like nothing. So there's not really anything I can post apart from just doing these live videos, which has helped. since I've been doing the lives, I've been getting a lot more subs, which is good. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and hopefully we get some entries on GJ next week. Like, everyone's probably coming to the stream like, does this guy ever take a trade? But I'm, like I've said before, I'm all about, on GJ, I'm all about, well, GJ intraday trading, I'm all about quality, not quantity. I'm happy not taking a trade all week. I'm happy with that. That's fine. If there's no setups, I'd rather not trade than force a trade and lose money, you know? So I'd rather just keep my profits from last week. Last week we had 3 wins. So I'm still massively in profit from last week. And last week has covered me for the month. Like, I'm good for the month. I don't even need to trade again this month, really, from last week. But yeah, sometimes, if the markets, like I said, for example, just take a look at this week so far. Look, price has literally gone nowhere. This was the high and the low, and literally price has stayed between the high and the low all week, just ranging. And then yesterday we had a slight breakout, but that's it. Like, so literally no trade for me this week so far. Have you joined the Discord, Swami? Swami. If you're in the Discord, you can send it in there to the members chat, or yeah, send it in the members chat. Man, this guy's having a party next door. Yeah, the dog person. He's like blasting music now. He's like mowing his lawns, shouting at the dog, blasting music. This guy's just making all kind of noise, man. We must have had some new subscribers today. On 475. Usually it comes up on stream, like it will say this person has subscribed, but it hasn't showed up anything, I don't think. One thing I don't like about YouTube lives, I prefer live streaming on Twitch, because YouTube is like, their live streaming stuff is not it's not that great at the moment. They definitely need to update it. Definitely need to update it. Sammy, if you're not in the Discord, I can just give you an invite real quick if you want. Yeah. It's in the chat, bro. It's in the chat, brother. Click the link, man. Yeah, the sub, it pops up on the screen sometimes. It doesn't come from YouTube, it comes from what did I can't remember where it comes from now. comes from... Yeah, it comes from something. I can't remember where. Sound alerts. I think it comes from Stream Elements or something like that. Yeah, no, it is third party. Yeah, it is third party. But I haven't seen any today. We've definitely got a lot of subs today during the stream. People have subbed to the channel, but I haven't seen. I haven't seen anything come up. Have you? I haven't seen no notification come up. Is this you? I am Malik. Yeah, I have sent. Cool. Oh, you're doing it from your phone. Can't see shit, man. Okay, so buys 15-minute time frame. So what is so what are these levels based off of? These little grey support and resistance levels. Malik. So I can call you Malik, yeah, or Arjan. Malik. Previous resistance. Turn support. To be honest, I can't see shit, bro. I can't see anything. It's too small. But I mean, yeah. So you took that trade, yeah? What's this indicator here? MTPC. I love indicators. Let me have a look. MTPC. Oh, multi-time period charts. You've just shortened it. Multi-time period charts, volume 2. I wonder what this is. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, multi-time period. Yeah, I just figured that. What's this multi-time period charts, volume 2? So what is volume 2 about it? Show dashed lines. Previous top, previous bottom. Okay, that's interesting. So you can just do the previous. Interesting. So is that it? Is that all that's different? Show dashed lines. Auto time frame. Where did the dashed lines go? MTPC. Interesting. Yeah. I mean, you don't need to use it. You can literally just go to the daily time frame and just mark up your levels right here. You know, just go, oh, there's daily high, there's daily low, close bearish, right? But instead of doing that, we can just stay on the 15-minute chart and just turn on the multi-time period charts indicator, and it just shows us right here, right? So we don't need to keep switching between time frames. That's the only reason I use it. So gold resistance, fair enough. Yeah, I know it does. I know. What does JFX want? JFX, are you in the YouTube? Are you in the stream? Are you in the stream, JFX? Come and chat to us in the stream, brother. Come on. Come on, brother. To believe in a miracle. Omar, you subbed. Where are the alerts? Main stream. I forgot what it's called now. Streamlabs. That's it. Streamlabs. YouTube. I want the notifications to come up on the stream. We can do sound alerts. Sound. I think that's just for Twitch actually. Is it? Gold. We've already talked about gold, dude. You can go back in the stream. Just go back and you'll see the gold analysis. But yeah, basically, I was looking for buys above this level. Prices drove a nice 27 pips above this level. So I did give that analysis. My alerts. Other alerts. Delete. Yeah, I think this is just for Twitch. For sure. So yeah, we'll do this one. We'll do alerts. Where are they? Alert box. Widget. Test subscriber. See that come up? Did you guys see that? So yeah, it should work. It's still connected. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. Hasn't showed up today. I don't know. Did you guys see that? Did you see that pop up on the screen? To believe in a miracle. Last 28 days, 1.5k views, 84 hours watch time, and 98 subs in the last 28 days. That's pretty good. That is decent, guys. Thank you very much. Until we can get partner, we can get YouTube partner. I gotta get 1,000 subs, and I need 4,000 hours of public watch hours. That is a lot of watch hours, man. And this is in the last, what is it? I swear this is in the last year as well. Like, it goes by year, but it doesn't say that here. Oh yeah, last 365 days. Yeah, it says right there. That's tough, man. That's a lot of, that's 4,000 hours in 365 days. But yeah, we're getting there slowly. Slowly but surely. Meow. My cat's meowing. To believe in a miracle. Yeah. Nimbus, did you see that notification come on the screen just before? About the subscriber? Theo. I don't think you did. Here. Test subscriber. Do you see that come up on the screen? Actually, no, let me just go and check my YouTube. Let me go check. Yeah, it does come up. Yeah, it did. It did. But why is nobody else coming up? I don't get it. I don't get it. Appreciate ya, boys. Fuck, look at this entry here on Euro CHF. What a beautiful entry. Wait, 1 to 8. I mean, I gave you guys like multiple entries today. These trades are from my VIP channel, and I gave you guys these for free. Look, I posted them in my Swings channel, VIP channel. Euro USD, Euro CHF. And I also gave this gold buy above here, which would be in around about 27 pips profit right now. What's up, Shiv? Yo, Code. That's crazy, man. Only my family call me Code. Code. What's going on, Shiv? What's happening, big man? You good? What's the RR? What on these trades right here? 1 to 1.5. 52 pips and 75 pips. I reckon with Euro USD we could push it up into this level for a bit more, but meh. Coco? No. No. No one's ever called me Coco. Coco? Hell no, bro. I'd slap them. Never call me Coco again. Oh, the screen's gone. There we go. Yeah, I do swing trades. But yeah, my scalping, I only trade GJ, but I do swing trades as well. But the reason I don't really share my swing trades is because, you know, it's boring. Like sometimes these trades will go for days, weeks, you know, and it's hard for people to keep up with. Like it's hard for content to keep up with that content. So I only really share my scalping trades on GJ because people love scalping. But yeah. Stop biting your nails. What, scalping you mean? Scalping. I caught nice moves this week. This week was nice. RR 50 plus, nice, man. Yeah, this week was pretty slow for me. This week was hella slow for me. What kind of strategy you use, Shiv? I know, bro. I can't stop. I cannot stop. Can't stop, won't stop. All right, Shiv, no worries, bro. Good stuff this week, man. 50 RR plus. Sheesh. Should be trading for the banks, bro. Should hit up fucking Lloyd's Bank. Start trading. Start trading their money. Oh my god, he's camping in the corner. Oh no. I don't have any entries for you, movies. There's no. I can't give you entries if there's no entries. Like, what do you want from me, man? Do you want me to just give you a losing trade? That's what's gonna happen. Move out my way, brother. Oh my god, there's three of them looking at me. There's a place I go. No. Oh my god, these shotgun boys. Anyone play? Anyone play Call of Duty? Oh my god, I can't move. I can't get out.
Yo, to the guy that's fucking sitting this one, get the fuck out, you little bitch.
Call of Duty helped me become a profitable trader because I'd just play it and I wouldn't look at my trades when I first started trading, so I wouldn't like overthink and like close trades too early or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? It helped me be patient. What? Oh, he's got a shotgun. Fucking hate these shotgun boys, man. So annoying. How do you manage risk? I just wait to see if price, like for example, if I'm in a buy based off of bullish market structure, then if price starts breaking structure to the downside, and starts flipping bearish, then I can manage risk. Then, you know, if price starts breaking bullish structure, starts moving bearish, I can start closing some of the trade, based off of, you know, price breaking that structure. So otherwise, if I'm risking 1 or 2%, there's not, you know, you don't always have to manage risk. Sometimes it's just going to be a losing trade. If you're risking 1 or 2%, then that's fine, you know. As long as you got a good win rate and your RR is decent for the most part, you don't need to manage risk all the time. If you know what I'm saying. That's good. I can see myself doing that once I build enough capital. Yeah, exactly. It does help you from over trading, you know, like closing your trade too early, things like that. Messing with your trade because you're you're just sitting there staring at the trade. Oh no, I'm in a little bit of drawdown. Oh, I best close. I best close. I best manage risk. I best close half. And then the trade ends up working out how you originally thought anyway. And if you didn't manage risk or close it, you would have had a winning trade, you know? So I feel like gaming or doing something during that time you're in a trade, even if you just set the trade and then go out, go for a walk, or, you know, go eat some food, don't look at the charts, then your trades are going to work out better most of the time. Time is it over there? It is 5 p.m. How do you manage spreads? I have a 0 spread broker, or a very low spread broker. Very low spread broker. This guy with his shotgun, man. He's gonna come over here. Come on. Got a guy in here camping. Bro, who the hell is looking at me, man? Oh, totally makes sense. Yeah. If you're intraday trading, or scalping, yeah, you want a broker with low spreads. I keep shitting on this guy with the shotgun. Holy crap. But yeah, you want a broker with low spreads, man. This guy, man. This guy. Meow. If you're trying to scalp and you have a broker with high spreads, yeah, it's not going to work out for you, man. These mother... We got a fucking trophy down. Oh my god, there's a guy just sitting there behind me, bro. Who is shooting me? Easy. Easy. Yeah. Basically, with my strategy, it doesn't really matter what time frame you're trading on. I choose the 15-minute. But I could use the 30-minute, I could use the hourly, and I could use the 4-hourly. But I just prefer to just stay on the 15-minute chart. Things just look a little bit cleaner. But yeah, the higher time frame you go, if you're basing your trades off monthly time frame, weekly or daily, yeah, you're gonna find it a lot easier to get profits, but you're just gonna have to be patient. And you know, hold your trades longer than you usually would, which in my opinion is fine. In my opinion, that is fine. Yeah, it's the latest one. Modern Warfare 2, is it? Whatever it is. I have no idea. But yeah, a lot of people weren't happy with this one. And they're bringing out Modern Warfare 3 soon. You think GJ will reject from here? Why is that? Give reasoning. Oh my god, there's a guy already there. Let me know your analysis. Oh my god, you got absolutely dropped. This was a correction move. Man, this guy knows what he's talking about. Swami. Malik. I don't like this gun. I'm changing back. MP5 it is, bros. I hate playing controller on multiplayer. It's too slow. I prefer mouse and key on multi. I'm dead. Bro, these fucking... How did I not kill that guy? I just literally put 20 bullets in his head. In his head top. No, lie down. Why did he stand up? I hate it when this shit does that, bro. Oh no, I'm dead. You're shorting GJ. Who are you looking at me, bro? Yeah, London Open now. London Open. Gonna retrace, you reckon, Malik? They're over there now. What? Ah, no. What? Let's wait and watch. I love how confident you are, Malik. It's awesome. Everybody needs some confidence like that, man. Malik is the market mover. The market mover, Malik. I just flashed myself. Oh, what? No. Oh my god, you're bad. You're bad. How did you lose that, brother? Dead. Oh, what? Move, man. Oh my god. Like, I can't see, bruh. I stuck him. Fuck. You're in a cell on GJ? GJ or gold? My long range beams with the MP5 here are unreal, bro. GJ or gold, you're in a cell. What other guns do I have? Oh my god. Dude, my buttons are messed up. They're not working properly. Bro. I'm playing on controller. I usually play on keyboard, but I'm playing on controller at the moment. But I usually play multiplayer on keyboard and controller on Warzone. Fucking sniper, bro. Yeah, control. You have to on Warzone. You have to play controller, bro. There's just no other way. But for multi, I play mouse and key. It's much easier. But I am better on controller because of the aim assist. That's the only reason why. Bro, move. Oh, I hate this game, man. Like, this guy's blocking me. Body blocking me, my own teammate. Sacrilege. Who? Yeah, Warzone's hard, man. I could get you a win on Warzone, bro. No worries. I played this morning. I played 7 games and got 6 wins. I'm being shot from the side. What the fuck? But that's because it was early morning. I was probably playing against like 5-year-old kids. This is the gun for me. Easy. Let's take a look at the charts. See, GJ analysis was right. Buys with this level, we would have caught around about 40 to 45 pips. I would have been going for take profit. Gold retracing to this level. Interesting. This could be a little break or retest of this zone. Let's see. So who's now? Oh, your JFX Afiz. My bad, bro. In fact, I am gonna switch to mouse and keyboard. So I can't be bothered playing on controller right now. There we go. Nimbus. Mouse and key now. Everybody. You'll see my aim is not very good. Got something on my Yep. Yep, I'm just getting dropped now. Oh my god, dude. This is just a bad game, I think. Dead. The movement is just so much better on mouse and keyboard, so much cleaner, but my aim is just bad. Posted what on Discord? What did I post on Discord? God. Yeah, see how I can't win a gunfight now? Yep. Four people in chat? What do you mean? Chat, yeah. Alright. That's alright, bud. Bro, who's throwing these fucking gas grenades? Doesn't matter how many people are in chat, bro. I'm dead. Live streams are always hard unless I'm like giving people signals all the time, you know, then people will be here, but I'm not about to do that. That's what the VIP is for. I'm done giving away free shit. I mean, I did give away three free entries today, so if people were in the live, they would have had free entries. Three free entries. See that on mouse and keyboard, I was last and we lost the game, so just goes to show, doesn't it? There we go. So that would have been take profit on GJ for 40 pips. So my exact entry would have been this, and my stop would have been down here below this level of structure. Everybody, cause she popular. Below the LP, sorry. Below the LP. It would have been pretty much at our take profit right now. But this candle triggered us in. Well, triggered the, like, pushed up within the first 10 seconds. So I missed the entry. I wasn't able to catch an entry. Price drove 26 pips. So I couldn't take that trade. But that would have been the trade I was looking for today. But it's unfortunate that this candle did that, whatever it was doing. We couldn't catch the entry. It happened too quick. Everybody, cause she popular. Could be in for some NZD USD CAD buys here. Sorry, USD CAD buys. This could be a potential like head and shoulders type thing right here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, potential for price to continue bullish. Consolidation. AUD JPY. Looks like it's pushing up. Everybody scream cause she popular. He just disappeared off my screen, man. See, Malik, I won't be live tomorrow. It's weekend, you know, so I'll be live next. I'll be live on Monday. Market open for Monday. Monday looks good to me. And we'll see if GJ wants to be nice to us next week and give us some setups and stop ranging. Which way are they coming from? I don't know. Stunned. Stunned. Plans this weekend? Yep. Family. We're going. It's my niece's birthday. So we're going to see her tomorrow. Spend time with my daughter, of course. The usual stuff, man. The usual life stuff, you know. Usual life stuff. What about you, Nimbus? Got any plans? Oh, wedding. I haven't been to a wedding in ages, man. I love weddings. That's gonna be good fun, bro. A wedding. Oh, I had a shotgun. How old are you, Nimbus? Oh, I'm dead. Nimbus 3000. There was no trades this week, Effie's. Literally none. I had no trades this week, bro. I had some good trades last week, some good profits. You're 34. And last week really set me up for the rest for the month. What was it like 12k profit last week? Oh my god. He should be embarrassed. Oh my god. Monday. Yeah, and this is the thing with this is what I say to people. You only need to trade one currency, right? And you just need to focus on the future, the capital, your capital in the future. Focus on saving your money. If you've got like a hundred, you know, if you're gonna try and take like $100 account and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna try to flip it to like $100,000, like, you know, that shouldn't be your thinking. You should be focusing on working as much as you can, saving as much as you can, building your account, slowly taking profitable trades by trading one pair. And eventually in the future, all you're going to need to do is take 3 or 4 winning trades a month, and you're set for the month. You're going to be making like 15, 20k, right? But you're not gonna have trades every day, right? You're not gonna be taking like 2, 3, 4, 5 trades a day, or a trade every single week, every single day of the week. Like, realistically, you know, that's not, for me, that's not what real trading is. And if you ask any big hedge fund trader or anything like that, they're going to tell you the same thing. You should be focusing on high quality setups, 1 or 2, you know, 1, 2, like five good trades a month is all you need with high capital, and you can still be making like 20, 50, 100k, right? Depending on your capital. So it's not really about taking as many trades as you can in the week or in the day, like trading the 1 minute time frame, trading the 5 minute time frame. Like, find the good setups, take 1 or 2 trades a week, good setups, and you're going to be, if you got the right capital, which you, like I said, you should be focusing on in the future, you're going to be making a lot of money, right? By trading 1 pair, 1 setup at 1 time with the right capital is all you need. It's literally all you need, man. You don't need 20 pairs, taking 5 trades a day on the 1 minute time frame. You know what I mean? Like, you don't need that shit. If you've got no capital, then yeah. You know, if you've got low capital, people think that's what they have to do. But if you've got like $100,000, $200,000 account, you're not going to be taking 5 trades a day. You're not going to be trading on the 5 minute time frame. You're just not. It's just not realistic. You need to be realistic about your trading and about your approach. You know, so when I don't have a trade for a week, people, you know, people are messaging me in the Discord, on the Telegram, on Instagram, like, there's been no trades this week. Like, what's happening? Why have you got no trades this week? Like, people are not happy. And it's like, dude, this is real trading. Like, this is what real trading is. Like, you're not going to have a trade every single day, you know. You're going to have a few a week, couple a week, 1 a week, you know, 5, 6, 7 trades a month. And that is all you need, man. That's what a real trading is with high capital. You're not focused on catching every single move and every single trade. You're just focused on the good trades, you know, 1 or 2 good trades a week, and that is all you need. But people are just so fixated with taking so many trades because they have low capital, and that's the only way they can make their profits, or enough profits in their eyes or in their mind, is by taking as many trades as possible to try and get as much profit as possible. But in reality, trying to as much profit as possible ends up being losses, like a lot of losses. If you're swing trading, then fair enough. Trading multiple pairs, you know, that's what you have to do, because trades take a while to play out. But if you're scalping, you should only be trading 1 or 2 pairs max. Nothing more than that, or you're just gonna end up losing money in the long term. And that's facts. Get the fuck away from me, boy. Do you not know who I am? No. Oh my god, these guys got 93 kills. I just got on mouse and keyboard. 93 kills. These guys are trash, bruh. Also, most people don't know streamers only do 5-minute scalps on stream anyway. They hold trades with their VF members. I paid for the membership to find out. Yeah, Nimbus. When I first started trading, there was this guy I followed on YouTube, Instagram, whatever. And all over his Instagram, all he posted was wins, 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 profits, 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 profits. So I joined his group, and I kid you not, I took about 8 losing trades in a row. Nothing gets said about that anywhere on his Instagram, on his YouTube, nothing. Eight losing trades in a row. And then he had 1 win, and he had his take profit 1 at like 10 pips. And then boom, here we go again. He's posting it all over the Instagram, all over YouTube. VIP, you know, winning trade, blah, blah, blah. Join now, don't miss out. And it's like, dude, I literally just took 8 losses in a row. What are you talking about? And you have 1 small win, and you're like shouting it at the rooftops to everybody. But yeah, I think I know who you're talking about with that as well. But yeah, there's only one trader I would say is legitimate, and that's because he does everything live, and that is Donvo. He does everything live on YouTube. Can I spell? Yeah, I can spell. I watch his streams too. Yeah, I like Donvo. I'd say he's one of the very few legitimate people in this industry. Um, Donvo, yeah, Donvo, that's it there. I would say he's the only one of the very few legitimate traders in this industry. For the simple fact that he does it all live on YouTube, his MT5, everything. Yeah, he doesn't hide losses. Roger Banks, I wouldn't trust that guy at all. Not anymore. He used to be legit, but no, I don't care, bro. I don't care. I don't mind as long as you're as long as you're saying like legitimate. If you start saying like Mamba effects or something, bro, then I'm gonna delete that comment because that guy is the biggest fraud I've ever seen in my life. You know, he's just not a trader. He's a YouTube content creator. But if as long as it's people I agree with, then yeah, it's fine. And Donvo's legit, man. Dovey, I'm not too sure. I don't really know much about Dovey. I've seen his Instagram. Um, yeah, I don't know. Again, he's a guy that sells courses. Um, you only ever see him posting profits really on Instagram. You know, only someone who's a part of his group can tell you if he's actually like a profitable trader or not. I don't know if he does signals. If he just sells a course and just posts profits on Instagram, then I would say the likelihood is he can't trade. Or he's not a profitable trader. He's just selling a course or a service. If he gives live signals, like say for example, like I do, you know, you guys have seen my signals, my live trade entries and stuff like that. You know, I have profitable trades. Then yeah, but otherwise, you just can't tell. You just don't know if someone's just selling a course. You know what I mean? Hard to tell. Umar, I've never heard of him. Umar. Derek, never heard of Derek. Never heard of Derek. Bro, I mean, looked at by everyone. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like, you can usually tell if someone's like the first thing, and this is the reason why I stopped doing a course. Because I don't, you know, I want to show my results. I don't want to sell a course, you know. I don't want to be another part. I don't want to be another part of the industry, which just sells courses and doesn't show actual, clear evidence and like proof of their trades and stats. You know, anyone can get some profits off MT5 and go, yeah, look, I made this much, blah blah blah. Buy my course, and I'll show you how to trade. Like, I don't want to be that person. I don't want to be another one of those traders. So, nah, I don't sell a course. To be honest, what I feel, if you've got a strategy that works, why would you sell it and show everybody? You know, and that was my reason as well. Like, I love my strategy; it works beautifully. So I don't want to just give it away to everybody for like a few $100s. It's not worth it, in my opinion. Like, if I was to teach somebody, if someone who really wanted to learn, and I was gonna sell my core, like my strategy, then it would be like for a lot of money, because potentially it can make you a lot of money. Like, I don't just want to sell it for a couple $100, you know. I don't think it's worth it. I can make the profits off trading myself. I don't need to sell a course. So that's why I stopped. So now I'm just gonna do like a VIP channel or like a signals channel, whatever. Charge a bit of money. Yeah, exactly. I did it at first because everyone was asking me like, dude, do you have a strategy? Do you have a course? Do you have a strategy? Like, I want to learn how you trade. So I thought, yeah, you know what? Why not? But now I'm just like, nah. Like, it's worth a lot more than my strategy's worth a lot more than a few $100s. And people complain even at that. I put it on for three, um, like 300 at first, and people were complaining at that price. And it's like, dude, you do realize if I show you my strategy and you apply, you're gonna be able to make a lot of money. Like my Fibonacci one, nah. I mean, I've thought about it, but it's, you know what I mean. I'm just gonna be another one of these people who sells a Fibonacci course, like just copy and pasted content. But you go ahead, bro. If you want to take it and sell it, go be my guest. One day, maybe I might, you know, I might, but at the moment, I'm not interested in it. I'm not interested in selling courses. I would just focus on trading. Like when I started doing it, like when I started creating the course and selling it, and I was just getting like endless messages off people like, "Oh, it's too much, can't afford it." Um, what's this? You know, what's in it, blah blah. Like it was just a hell of a lot of stress anyway. So I just thought, I don't want to deal with this stress. I don't want to deal with all this crap. Like, yeah, people just want stuff for free, man. Especially in trading, everybody wants stuff for free. People just want me to give them my whole strategy that's took me 6 years to build. Blood, sweat, and tears, 10 hours a day on my computer. Bad eyesight now. People just want me to give everything that I've sacrificed to get here to them for free. And it's just like, are you serious? Like, people don't understand the amount of hard work and stress and everything I've gone through in my life to get to this point in trading. And then they just want me to give it to them for free. Like, beautiful, beautiful GJ, beautiful GJ. This would have been the exact setup today. We would have been at break even at this point. I mean, bro, go away. We would have been up 36 pips. This candle just ruined it for everybody. You ruined it. Exactly, Nimbus. And I said this in a previous stream, like, just because I teach you my strategy, it doesn't mean you're going to be able to take it and start trading it profitably straight away. Like, I've done 2 courses in the past, 2 Forex courses, and I don't use any of that information now, and like, it just didn't work for me. Like, it worked for that person, but it just didn't work for me. Like, people's minds are different, perspective is different. The way you look at things, it's all different. The way the person who's teaching it sees it is going to be different to how you see it, and so you're not always just going to be able to take that strategy and apply it to the chart straight away and be profitable. So that was also another reason why I stopped doing it. I just gave into this community's pressure. Like, you see every trader out there on Instagram and YouTube, they're all selling a course, and I was like, damn, maybe that's what I have to do. But I really didn't want to do it, and I'm so glad that I've decided not to do it now. I just want to trade with my strategy, make money, and share my journey. That's it. I don't want to sell anything. I don't, you know, there has to be some kind of, there has to be like a balance. Like, I'm not just going to give everything away for free. I still want it to be worth my time. So it makes me put the effort in, and it makes me passionate about it. So that's why I made the VIP price very small, $25, compared to everyone else out there who charges like $100 plus for their VIP channels, like $50 to $100 plus. That's why I just made it very small, because I don't really want to charge anything, but I also want it to be worth my while. Like, if I'm just doing it for free all the time, I'm gonna lose passion, and I'm gonna lose, you know, I'm just not gonna enjoy it, and people, um, you know, are gonna see that in my videos and stuff. So there needs to be some kind of balance where I am benefiting from it somehow even if it is in a small way. And then, you know, people get all this, you know, knowledge and stuff basically for free for a very small price. But I could definitely teach people the principles, like the very basics of what I look for in the market. For example, like market structure and which time frames I'm looking at and how I get my entries. And then the rest of it, you know, is how they want to apply it to the charts, you know. Like for example, if someone's struggling how to read market structure, I could show them how I do it, and that could help them. You know what I mean? Where it's not exactly like I'm giving you a course and I'm saying this is my strategy and this is how you need to trade. Where I could approach it more like, um, if you don't know how to read market structure, or if you're struggling to read market structure, I could show you how I read market structure and how I feel the best way to read market structure is, how to tell the trend, short term, long term, how to draw your zones, how to look for entries, you know, that type of thing, rather than just teaching a strategy. Like teach people how to read the market. And then the rest of it, how they want to enter, how they want to apply that is up to them. But I suppose that's the same thing as a course, isn't it, really? Yeah, like a concept, like not this is how you need to trade the market, this is how you need to draw your levels, this is how you need to enter. More like I can help you learn how to understand the markets a bit better, how to read trend, how to read market structure, how to read price action, how to read what the candles, different time frames, top down analysis, that kind of stuff. But I suppose that's the same kind of thing, like a course type shit, you know. Same shit. I feel like this is going to be a nice entry if we can get it here on USD CAD in the next hour or so. Yeah, exactly. Um, or something I've thought about is like one on one. You know what I mean? Like you could just book a one on one slot with me for like an hour or something, and then you can ask me any questions you want about Forex, and we can go over anything that you might be struggling with, and I can show you that type of stuff. You know, kind of like a mentor type thing. So rather than me teaching you a strategy, I can help you with your strategy. Like, you know, I've got this strategy, but I'm finding it hard where to place my stop loss. Or I've got this strategy, but I'm finding it hard, you know, to find entries, or, you know, blah, 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 blah. People who are new to trading, I suppose. But yeah, maybe, you know, just doing these live streams is enough. People can just watch. If they want to take a closer look, you know, on the swing trades to mainly GJ and how I kind of intraday trade it, then they can just watch the streams, join the VIP, get a closer look, things like that. Yeah, yeah, I know. That's true. That is true. And this is the thing, like this is why I'm just happy with just not doing any of it and just trading myself and offering a VIP group where I'll just post my trades and that's it. Because like I said, honestly, I didn't really want to do any of like the course signals or whatever, but you just kind of give into that the industry pressure and people constantly messaging me on Instagram. Do you have signals? Do you have a VIP channel? Do you have a signals channel? Do you have a course? Blah blah blah. So you just go, you know what? I might as well just do it. Everybody else does it, but I didn't want to, and so I'd rather just do what I'm doing. Just chill by myself, and then get a little something back. A little something back. That's all I can ask for. A little bit of love, exactly. You've got to if you're doing work, if you're working, which this is work for me, you have to be working for something. So that's why I feel like, if you go and do a job and you just say, yeah, I'll work for free, and you just work for free all the time, eventually you're gonna get burnt out, and eventually you're gonna think, why the hell am I doing this for free? Like I could just go and get a job somewhere and make money. So I think me doing it for free was only gonna last so long because you're just gonna get burnt out and you're just gonna think, why am I doing this? Like, I'm helping a lot of people out, but what's it doing for me? Like, I'm not getting anything back other than people just wanting more free stuff. Like, you know, people just expect it for free, and then when you don't give it for free, they get pissed off. Um, so you have to give yourself a little something back, a little something to work for, and which keeps your head in the game. Otherwise, it is what it is. So that's why the VIP is $25, and it's not a lot of money really for what you get. It's not a lot for what you get. It's a lot less than what other charge. It's like 3 times less. But that's the difference, you see. These people who charge a lot of money for their courses and VIPs, they're not actually making money from trading. So that's why they have to charge so much, so they can make their living, their income off of subs, courses, VIP channels, and that's their income, not trading. Whereas me, I make my income from trading. So I don't need to charge lots of money for VIPs and courses and shit. Like, I don't have to do that. And that's the difference. But anyway, I think I'm going to head off. I've been streaming for 3 hours almost. End game, yeah, exactly, man. You got to think about the future. You got to think about your end goal. Um, and that's where a lot of traders fail. They're very short term. They think about, and this is why traders lose so many trades and lose all their money, because they think about right now, today, like, oh, what, if I don't take this trade, I'm not gonna make this money, and I'm gonna miss out, and then blah, blah, you know what I mean? Like, they're too impatient, impulsive, and they get FOMO, right? They fear that they're missing the trade all the time, so they're constantly taking trades, and they just keep losing, 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 and they're just thinking short term, like, how much money can I make today? How much money can I make right now? How much money can I make this week? Whereas I don't think that way. I think long term, monthly, quarterly, yearly, and I think about where I'm going to be in 2 years' time, 5 years' time, 10 years' time, and that's what I'm focused on. I'm not I don't care about today, tomorrow. I'm just taking each day as it comes, and that's why there's been no trades this week, not one, because I'm not fussed. I'm not rushing around trying to take a trade every 15 minutes. After, I don't care. I'll take the trade when it comes. When the market gives me the right setup and the right trade, I'll take it. If it's a losing trade, it's a losing trade. If it's not, it's not. It is what it is. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna dip. I'm gonna go. It's been a slow week. It is what it is. Hopefully next week brings some more winning trades. You can see this would have been our trade today. It's currently pushing, which would have been our take profit of 52 pips. But we didn't get this trade because of this candle opening and pushing up 25 pips within 10 seconds. Didn't give me a chance to enter. But yeah, I'll see you guys Monday, and have a great weekend. Stay safe. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. Don't over leverage. Remain calm. You're looking for selling, GJ? Go ahead, man. Go ahead. But yeah, I'm out, guys. Peace out. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all the likes and keeping me company. Appreciate you guys a lot. We're gonna grow the YouTube channel this year. We're gonna hit our 1K subs very soon. I can feel it. But yeah, peace out. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Shivara, trading is all about executing when to entry and exit. 2 lines, managing risk management. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Shivara. Exactly. And this is what most people don't understand. This is what a lot of people find very hard to grasp. But yeah, I agree with you. I agree with your message, 100%. Have a good day. Yeah, you too, Shivara. See you later. Your opinions on sales? I'm not looking at sales at the moment. Movies. As you can see, I was looking at buys. I would have taken these buys had we not had this candle not happen, but it is what it is. Here. Callisto. Callisto. Let me just copy it. ID number, what's that? Yeah, that's Activision ID number right there. I just put it in the chat. Yeah, Activision ID. Did you get it, Shavara? Did you play Warzone, Shavara? You just missed me dropping 93 kills in a shipment on mouse and keyboard. I don't see no request. I actually dropped more kills on mouse and keyboard right there than I did on controller. That's what I like, mouse and keyboard for multiplayer, but for Warzone, it's not good. Just take a picture, Shavara, and just add me whenever you can, and I'll accept it. All right. All right, guys. I'm out. Peace out. Appreciate you guys once again coming in, showing love, chatting with me. And yeah, let's see. GJ about to hit 52 pip take profit. If only he was in this trade. All right, guys. See you later.